Click on the link below to get price. The Champion Power Equipment 4500 watt electric start dual fuel RV ready portable inverter is an impressive powerhouse that stands out in the crowded market of portable generators. This model offers the flexibility of dual fuel capability, allowing users to run it on either gasoline or propane, making it a versatile choice for RV enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers alike. One of the standout features of this generator is its electric start mechanism, which eliminates the hassle of manual cranks. With just a push of a button, the engine roars to life, providing immediate power. This is particularly beneficial during emergencies when time is of the essence. The 4500 watt output is more than sufficient for most RV needs, capable of running multiple appliances simultaneously, including air conditioning units, refrigerators, and lights. With a peak output of 4500 watts and a running output of 3500 watts, it offers a reliable power source that can handle your essential devices with ease. Additionally, its RV-ready design comes with a 30A RV outlet, simplifying the connection to your recreational vehicle. Noise levels are another point in favor of this inverter generator. Operating at a mere 58 dBA, it runs quietly, making it suitable for camping trips without disturbing the peace. The efficient inverter technology not only ensures clean power output suitable for sensitive electronics but also improves fuel efficiency, extending run times on a full tank. Portability is enhanced by its compact design and lightweight construction, along with the included wheels and foldable handle. Transporting it to your campsite or job site is a breeze. The generator also features a comprehensive control panel, including parallel ports for connecting additional units, which adds to its versatility. In conclusion, the Champion Power Equipment 4500 watt electric start dual fuel RV ready portable inverter is a reliable, efficient, and user-friendly option for anyone in need of portable power. Its combination of dual fuel capability, quiet operation, and robust performance makes it a top choice for RV owners and outdoor enthusiasts.